Kayla, this is me working those couple homework problems for you. So starting with number 1, you have to pay attention to the markings on that triangle. So remember, the tick marks mean that we do have congruent sides. So this is an isosceles triangle. And so remember, when we have an isosceles triangle, such as this, our two bottom angles are also congruent. So if this is a 40-degree angle, let's just call these both x. I know the sum of these three angles is going to be 180, and I know that these are both the same. So I can just put this into an equation. I'll move the 40 over to x, so x is 70. Okay, and I'm not going to work number 4 because that was just like a problem that I worked in the notes. So go back and look at that one again, and it will help you solve number 4. And then looking at 11, let me draw this picture. So I'm told that this angle is 10 degrees, and then I'm told that this angle is bisected. So looking at first the largest triangle here, I know two of the angles. I know this is a right angle, so it's 90, and I know this angle is 10. So I can find this total angle measure by subtracting 90 and 10 from 180, and that leaves me with 80. So this total angle is 80 degrees, and if it's bisected, that means that each of these is 40. And so it asks you to find ORP and MOR. So ORP is this angle here. So angle ORP is 40. And then angle MOR is this angle right here. So again, I've got a triangle here. I know two of the angles. So to find the third one, I just subtract the 90 and the 40, and that gives me 50. So angle MOR is 50.